Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add admin to a Facebook group. So firstly, go to your Facebook group. Then you'll find here the people of your Facebook group here. Click on people, this one, and then scroll down. Then choose the person you want to make admin. Like I want to make admin this one, Alumgir Mia. Now I have to click on this right hand side, this three dot icon, this one, and you'll find here invite as admin. You have to just click here invite as admin. Now click on send invite. Now if he accept that, he will get a notification to be a admin in this group. So if he accept, he will be admin in our group. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.